You know, everybody's trying to save money these days. Coupons are a great way to do that, but you don't have to get the Sunday paper out and clip them all out. There are so many more ways to find coupons. Joining now to Talking Money is Phil Ellington, the local owner of Valpak. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me.
First, if you don't know what Valpak is, and you're really missing out because you can save some big money, explain Valpak and how many people you reach every month.
Well, Valpak is the big blue, traditional big blue envelope.
Yeah.
And what we do is our team goes out and gets local advertisers to put their coupons in there. And we also follow some of the consumers' thought processes. They will call our office and they will say, this is some of the advertisers we'd like to see.
Yeah.
And our team will go out and get those advertisers.
And I mean, you're saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year if you're utilizing those coupons. What's been the response from the businesses as well as consumers?
The response has been fantastic. In the last year, the response rate for our local advertisers has gone up about 34%. And also, a number of our advertisers have increased almost 47%.
Yeah.
So our business has been up, and also our the consumer is responding substantially more.
Absolutely, and all, of course, tied to our economy.
Exactly.
Do you think this holiday season there's going to be more coupons out there, more deals to be had?
Yes, we actually are very, very excited about our December mailing. Our December mailing hits the streets December the 10th, which is in the homes for that very important Christmas buying time.
Absolutely. All right, now there are many, many ways that you can get coupons. Of course, Valpak comes in your mail.
Exactly.
But you can also get it online, but you've launched something brand new that we're excited to show our viewers about.
Yes,
So
we've launched our iPhone app, which is, if you have an iPhone, you can go to iTunes, download the iPhone app, okay, the Valpak iPhone app. You click the iPhone app, and then when it comes in, it'll show the local consumer what coupons are available in that particular area by zip code.
Wow.
Well, then the categories will come in, and they'll light up here with all the ones that are available. So see as it starts to light up, as you can see. And then the consumer can then click on the category that they're interested in, and then they can see the coupons that are available in that area. We just launched the iPhone app about 3.5 weeks ago, and we're still bringing our local advertisers into the mobile world. Yes.
To learn how to do it. Some people are more reluctant than others. Some businesses jump right on it.
Exactly. This is a nice compliment to right now our envelope hits 230,000 homes every month.
Yeah.
This is another additional nice compliment that we're seeing.
And is this the kind of thing that if I travel to, you know, another part of the state or another part of the country, if I have that Valpak app on my phone, I can type in where I'm at in that location and also get coupons there?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can do that. And also, our advertisers are accepting the coupons now off of the iPhone.
Okay, because that's what I was going to ask you. How does that work? I know at airports now they use barcodes sometimes, so you don't have to worry about losing your coupon. That's the worst.
You can just bring your iPhone in and show it to the local advertiser. So it's great.
Very interesting.
And it's the reason we did this was because our Valpak.com, which is our online site, the number of people visiting the site has increased almost 60%.
Perfect. All right, Phil, thank you.
Thank you.
Valpak.com. You can get all the info there. We'll be right back with an update on your weather.